Today I'm going to teach you how to add your PMP certification to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your professional qualifications and make your profile stand out to potential employers or clients who are looking for certified project managers. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to display your PMP certification. After you've successfully logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to access your full profile page. This is where you'll be able to view and edit all the information that appears on your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're on your profile page, locate the button that says Add Section. This button is typically positioned below your profile header and gives you options to enhance your profile with additional information. Click on it to reveal the different sections you can add. From the menu that appears, click on Recommended. LinkedIn organizes profile sections into different categories, and the Recommended tab shows you the most relevant additions based on your profile type. This makes it easier to find commonly used sections without having to search through everything. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Licenses and Certifications. Click on this option. This is the specific section where professional certifications like PMP are meant to be displayed, making it easy for viewers to see your credentials at a glance. Now you'll be presented with a form to fill out the details of your certification. In the name field, type in PMP or the full title, Project Management Professional. Using the official certification name helps with searchability and ensures that recruiters can easily identify your qualification. After that, you'll need to input the issuing organization. For PMP, this would be the Project Management Institute, or PMI for short. Make sure you enter the correct organization, as this adds credibility to your certification. Next, input the issue date of your certification. If your PMP certification has an expiration date, go ahead and add that as well. If it doesn't expire or you've maintained it through continuing education, you can leave the expiration date field blank. Now enter your credential ID. This is the unique identifier associated with your PMP certification. You can find this on your official certificate or in your PMI account. Then input the credential URL if you have one. This is typically a link where others can verify your certification online. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. LinkedIn will process your input and add the certification section to your profile. You've now successfully added your PMP certification to LinkedIn, making it visible to anyone who views your profile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.